Lakeside charcuterie.
With beer.
So yeah, we're just chilling and watching the cows, kind of decompressing for the day. So.
And when we pulled up, when we got in here, we were kind of turned around on our campsite, and there was a big RV trailer behind us.
Yeah.
And so
I would have had way better drone, by the way, but.
So we got turned around, and so we were headed back.
Went that way.
Yeah, we went that way. We needed to come this way.
We're a little heated.
A little stressful. But the big RV pulled in, and then 4 more pulled in too. And so, but the cool thing is, I don't know if they're even here.
Can't hear
anything. Can't hear people.
Can't see
hear
'em.
dogs. Can't see. So I don't know if they all took off and went somewhere else. I have no idea. But
I think
it's
they're over
quiet.
Yeah.
Not that we mind. We're only here at night. I mean,
Yeah.
nothing against.
That's why we came
trailers and
here.
RVs.
We were going to go to another spot, up there. And
Yeah.
we were like, dude,
That's perfect.
it's one
Perfect for
stinking
one
night.
Oh,
Let's go.
yep.
So we're going to relax a little bit, watch cows,
Make
And
some
then-
dinner in a little bit.
probably go down the lake and check that out and see if we can see any wildlife and
Yeah.
have a couple more 8%ers and
And call it a night. We're just having charcuterie for dinner.
yeah. Because the new crackers are bringing awesome. Well, here is the lake. What's it called? Halfway Lake?
Pond? I don't know.
I think it's called Halfway Lake.
Oh, there's actually a name to it?
Yeah, on X.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
not bad.
Cow pies everywhere.
The cows left.
Yeah.
They bolted.
Yeah, they ran off into the forest over there somewhere.
Yeah.
But it's pretty.
Yeah, it's very
Nice.
beautiful out
Smoke
here.
cleared out, so
Yeah,
that's
smoke
nice.
cleared. Very cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a gunshot in the other side.
Oh, somebody shot it.
And then look at the other.
The bullet is still inside.
Yeah, but look at that side.
Oh, well, you can see where it freaking tried to come out.
Yep.
That's cool.
We know it's even cooler.
Is to not do it.
It's going in our garbage. That's the coolest part. Not this guy's garbage. Obviously not. But our garbage.
Got it.
Got it. Was that like a little 22?
Probably.
Oh.
It's tiny.
And... oh, that's where it goes.
Alright, usually like the first night we're out camping on a long trip, we usually like to keep it pretty simple. So we usually do like steak, something like that to keep it easy. So not a lot of like prepping or anything like that involved. So we picked up a ribeye from Matt's. I'm going to help Brian with because it's giant, and some of their awesome mac and cheese. Shout out to Matt's if you're ever in Longview, stop by and go see them because All of their food is amazing. And it's just super simple too, like with the Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic seasoning. Super easy. Eating good in the neighborhood.
Oh, really?
Holy moly. You're going to help, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's do it.
Okay. Dig in.
Oh gosh, never mind. Mosquitoes came out because they smelled this yummy, yummy goodness.
Got one.
Now she's beating me up. That was freaking awesome.
What a great meal to kick off.
Just start it.
And you know what we're having for breakfast tomorrow?
Something amazing.
Breakfast quesadillas.
Breakfast quesadillas, you heard it first. My God.
Your favorite.
These mosquitoes will go away, but I know it's twilight, so. That was from the rack. One of them. Mosquitoes were bad when we started the fire, and they noped out.
Bye. Look at that cloud is like coming over this way. It's like overtaking.
Oh, that's it for tonight, man.
Yep.
We toast. We didn't. I don't know what we did. We just stared at the stars and just
Yep.
like hung out.
Enjoyed the fire. Yep. Listened to some music and the frogs and
Yeah.
yep. But we'll pick this back up in the AM and we're gonna hit the hay because we have a travel day tomorrow. So
4 hours.
get a good night's sleep.
Yep. And then a yummy breakfast.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
See ya.
like heavy duty.
Yeah, that's old.
Hey,
Hey.
we're toast. we're packed up. Great night.
Yeah. Super chill. And it's, even though, like we said, there's people here, we cannot hear them in our camp spot. So
No.
that was super nice too.
Occasional ATV motors by, but
Yeah. But we are going to take off on our next adventure.
off the bog, hopefully.
Yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. We have a video every Sunday. Go and check out our website. We've got merch, we've got stickers, we've got all sorts of stuff. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Let's go.
hit the road. All right, well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out. Bye.
Bye.
And why? Why is this? What is this?
There's one over there, too.
What is this?
Is that somebody's square plot of land?
Oh, maybe. Remember I got that square plot of land in Scotland?
Oh, yeah.
Can we go there when we go to Scotland?
I don't
Girl.
I don't know. I thought I looked that up once.
Oh my. We're going.
It's like in some forest.
I got like a 1.1 square
But
foot plot. I need an M word.
to go before Mosquito Manor.
Yeah. Marvelous. Manic. Maybe.
Marisa's Mosquito Manor.
Maurice's Mosquito
Boom.
Manor. There you go.
He's a big dumb animal, isn't he, folks?
I can't move. Help me to the tent. This is my last hours.
We're going to bed at 8.
It's not 8. It's 7:39.
Through the...
We just need to get closer. We need to hover around it.
We just need to stay on the fire.